The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Hill County in central Texas, southwestern Ellis County in north central Texas, west central Navarro County in north central Texas until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Hillsboro, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Hillsboro, Italy, Mayfield, Blooming Grove, Benham, Carl's Corner, Aquila Lake, Milford, Frost, Abbott, Rickens, Lovelace, Avalon, Brandon, Irene, Preston, 5 Points, and Peoria. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 357 and 369. Interstate 35W between mile markers 1 and 6. Interstate 35E between mile markers 371 and 391. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Kaufman County in north central Texas, Van Zandt County in north central Texas, north central Henderson County in central Texas, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northeast of Kemp, or 9 miles east of Kaufman, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gun Barrel City, Kenton, Wills Point, Mayfield, Van, Camp, Grays Prairie, Curtis Creek State Park, Cedar Creek Reservoir, Myrtle Springs, Oak Grove, Murchison, Van Wheeler, Wooten, Orr, Roddy, Jackson, Oakland, Martinsville, and Colfax. This includes Interstate 20 between mile markers 508 and 541. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.